Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we're just going to do a quick update video for you guys. I made a cleaning video on these PUR 18 cup dispensers before, but I couldn't quite, or I didn't have time to really take off this nozzle in the video, or the spout, or the spigot, or whatever you want to call it. So I actually figured out how to take it out. It's quite simple, and I'm just going to show you guys how to do that now. So what you're going to want to do is just turn your thing upside down, obviously not with water in it, if there's water in it. You're most likely cleaning it at this point, so it should be empty. Anyways, so what you're going to do is turn it upside down, and then you have the spout here. Let me zoom in a little. So where we're going to be looking is here's the spout right here. And then we have these two holes in this plastic of the dispenser. And they're hard to see because they're clear, but I'll show you more once I take it out. But there's two clips on each side. One on this side and one on this side, and they go like up into the outside. See, I'm tracing it with the tip of the screwdriver up to the outside, like curved like a hook kind of. This one's up and then goes to the outside. Now what that does is when they push this spout in, the clips expand, and then it prevents it from being pulled out. So all we have to do is get in there and push those two clips together, and then we can take the spout out to actually clean it a lot better. So to do this, you're going to need two tools of some kind. You can't really use pliers because the holes are pretty wide apart for standard pairs of pliers. You have two options. You could use like two eyeglass screwdrivers or some kind of small screwdriver that will fit inside of the opening. It's like a little eyeglass screwdriver, but I actually don't recommend this because it's going to mar up the plastic, and just if you do this a bunch of times, it could eventually, break off a piece of the plastic and make the clip not work as good anymore. So what I actually recommend, if you have them, is just two caps off of a pen, of just Bic disposable pen or whatever brand of pen. The caps with like the little pointy thing hanging off, so you can like clip it on your shirt or a folder or something. These are actually perfect. They're plastic, so they're not going to mar up the plastic of this, and they're just sturdy enough to go ahead and do it. So what you do, as I said, you have the clips that go up and to the out, and you're going to be pushing the clips in. So you're going to put the pen cap like underneath here towards the bottom. Underneath here towards the bottom. So what we're going to do, we have these wedged on the outside of the clip. So the outside on this side and the outside on this side. Then we're just going to kind of tilt these down and push you can see the clip moving on this side. That's the clip, and on this side, that's the clip. So we're going to push the clips together. You're going to try to push the clips together and forward at the same time, because you got to push the spout out a little bit so the clips don't lock back into place. So let's put this one back in. We're both in. We're going to go upwards and outwards. And there you go. You only need to push out a little bit, and then the clips are out, basically. And then you can just pull it out. And there you go. So now you have the spout out, and you can clean it a lot easier, a lot better. You could replace that gasket if you ever need to. So that's how you guys take out the spout on your PUR water dispenser. Hope this helped you guys. If it did, please smack that thumbs up button. That helps out me so much. And make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Till next time, guys, I will see you later. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or video ideas, if I know how to do them, I will definitely make them. I will see you guys later. Peace out.